guys, I'm Palak and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are talking about 5-minute cooking again, and this time it's time for desserts. So I will be making these 3 types of desserts with the help of strawberries because strawberries are in season right now. Be it birthday parties or relatives at house or even get-togethers, why go outside and buy those expensive sweets when you can make super healthy, super delicious and super creative sweets at home in absolutely no time. So yes, without any further ado, let's just get started.
So number 1 is my very favorite chocolate dipped strawberry. For this you will need some chocolate. Take it in a bowl. It can be any chocolate, dark or milk, whatever you'd like. Now melt your chocolate. You can do it in a microwave. It takes about 30 seconds, or you can take a pan and heat water in it and put your bowl of chocolate inside that pan and let it melt. Now I will take my delicious sweet strawberries and take out the leaf part of it. Now once that is done, take a toothpick and insert it in your strawberries and dip the strawberry into your chocolate filled bowl. Make sure you coat your strawberries with a generous amount of chocolate, and once that is done, leave them on the plate. In absolutely no time, all my strawberries are coated with chocolate, and now I'll keep them in the fridge for about 2 to 3 hours. And now it's time to taste this delicious homemade sweet.
So this is my strawberry and let me just taste it. It tastes delicious, you guys. I'm not kidding, it tastes delicious because it has sourness of strawberry and the sweetness of chocolate, and in combination it tastes yum. Just try it out, you guys.
Our second recipe for today is strawberry parfait. To make this amazingly healthy dish, you will need some butter cookies, or you can even use multigrain cookies if you want to go on a healthier side, or you can even use crushed granola as well. I've used some butter cookies here. I will put them in a Ziploc pouch and crush them. You don't want to make it very fine, so make sure they are at a coarser level. Just like this. So my first ingredient for this recipe is ready. Now take some strawberries and chop them into fine pieces. Now if you don't have strawberries, you guys, don't worry, you can replace these strawberries by mangoes or even bananas if you'd like. Once that is done, to add a little bit of sweet to it, I will add a little amount of sugar. If you want to go on a healthier side, then maple syrup or honey works fine as well. Now for my third ingredient, I will take some yogurt or dahi in a bowl. Now dahi is very good for health, you guys. This dish can add as a perfect healthy breakfast recipe as well, and mind you, it will be very filling. Now this step is completely optional. I am putting a little bit of strawberry jam in my yogurt to enhance the taste, but you can skip this as well. Once all my ingredients are ready, I will take a wine glass. You can take any glass that you'd like. Now I will start layering my dish. My first layer would be yogurt. Then my next layer would be my crushed cookies, and my third layer would be my strawberry. I will repeat this entire layering process one more time, and yeah, my strawberry parfait is all ready to relish and rejoice. This makes for a perfect healthy dessert and is ideal for all those guys who love sweet but don't want to go overboard with their calories. And now my third recipe for today is strawberry kheer. For this I will take half a liter milk in a container and let it boil. Now keep stirring your milk occasionally, and this recipe will take you more than 5 minutes, you guys, but then you can do the milk while you are doing other tasks at the kitchen. So yes, practically it does not take a lot of time, right? So while your milk is getting prepared, just chop some dry fruits. I have taken almond and cashews here and also chop some strawberries as well. जब आपको दूध में मलाई दिखने लग जाए तो उसमें शक्कर ऐड कर दीजिए। मैंने यहाँ 2 चम्मच शक्कर ऐड किए। आप अपने स्वाद के अनुसार शक्कर ऐड कर सकते हैं। आप दूध को तब तक उबालिए जब तक आपको अच्छे से मलाई ना दिखने लगे दूध में। Now go ahead and add your dry fruits to the milk as well. आप इसमें थोड़ी क्रश्ड इलायची और केसर भी डाल सकते हैं, उससे टेस्ट और बढ़ जाएगा। For me, it took about 20 minutes for half a liter milk to get the desired consistency that I wanted. अब इस दूध को फ्रिज में रख दीजिए 1-2 घंटे के लिए ताकि वो ठंडा हो जाए। Now guys, this recipe tastes perfect with oranges as well as mangoes, so you can go ahead and use them if you don't have strawberries. And yes, enjoy this flavorful fruit kheer with your friends and family.
Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you know the drill. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And yes, please let me know in the comment section below how do you like the recipes and if you've tried them out. You can also use other fruits as well. You can be as creative as you'd like. So please let me know if you happen to use other fruits in these recipes and I'll be most happy to hear them out. Also, don't forget to check out my other videos on the screen on 5-minute cooking, and I will be back soon with yet another video. Till then, stay happy. Bye-bye.